All right, there's a running joke in my family that if you say, oh, let's go look at birds, it must mean that you're old. Now, I don't know if that's necessarily true, but check out this little gadget right here. This is an ultimate bird watching friend. This is a thermal imaging bird tool by Thermal Master. We're shooting at that building and then beyond, and I can zoom in or focus in, and look, that is really far away and getting a really crisp picture. And then with that building, I can either change the mode to, this is kind of a nighttime mode, or I can say, go heat signature mode, that the sun is just bouncing off the roof right there, so it's giving me that. Or you can see there's a little heat going on right there. And so the idea here is to be able to capture where the heat is, and you can kind of see that. To switch the modes really quick, it's just these buttons. And you can see now I'm in plane mode, and you can see I'm switching the modes. Now where that house is really popping because the sun is hitting it. Look, as I keep going over, this is gonna be great for bird watching. So you're gonna find some birds or clear across the way. Wow, that is really far. I can dial in, I can focus that up just like that. And now I can see there's heat signatures over there. There's some workers over there across the pond, and you can see what they're doing on the plane view. So check that out. You can actually see the heat signature through the camera right there. A bunch of different modes to start and stop recording, or different modes. You got this red and black, and that's going to change your mode. The black one will change your actual image. So we'll switch the image mode to heat up everything, show me everything hot. You can actually go into bird mode, nighttime HDR mode. We're going to flip that over to bird mode right there. And I'm gonna go birding. I'm gonna go hunt and see if we can't find anything right here, but I just wanted to show you what you're seeing. And then we're gonna go something that's gonna give me a little bit better visibility right now. And I like that one right there. Kind of gives me quite a bit of viz. You can flip it to forest mode, and it kind of shows the tree outline right there, or the plane mode. And we're gonna use bird mode. We're gonna go hunt for a bird. I'm gonna hunt for a plane. You can see all these heat signatures. We're looking right in here to see if there's any animals or birds or wildlife spotting. This is such a gorgeous view out here. We should be able to see something. To get through these modes, you have nighttime mode, you have infrared mode, you have thermal imaging mode, you have bird, forest, plane mode, and then in here you can switch it to the HDR. And then you have crosshairs right here, and that kind of just pinpoints that area. You can connect this to your Bluetooth, you connect it to Wi-Fi. On this mode screen right here is where you can flip it to camera, picture, or view your gallery. And then you can go into your settings as well, and you can do a range settings, and you can see exactly how far that is. But ultimately, guys, if you're into birding and you want to see birds, wildlife, or whatever, this is just a great little spotting scope. You can see right here, this is your focus ring, and right here you can see that it is a 13.1 millimeter f/08 right here. So it's a pretty good camera with that f-stop right there. So let's go hunt and see what we can find. So after using the Thermal Master out here for a little bit, the biggest benefit in my opinion isn't seeing in the dark. It really is spotting that wildlife I never would have known without it. And a bird can simply disappear into a brush, the shadows, or even tree cover. But its heat signature, just like Pippi here, gives away its location and lets me know exactly where to look. This isn't going to replace your regular camera like on your phone or anything like that. It's not going to do that. That's not what it's for. It's basically going to spot that wildlife. Then you can pull out your camera or your bird camera or any other lens that you have and take a high quality photo. So think of this as the spotter and the catcher, right? So you're going to spot with this, and then you'll catch with whatever camera that you're using. So who is this for? In my opinion, this guy right here, this is for bird watchers, campers, landowners, or anybody who enjoys not only finding wildlife, but spotting it as well. It turns a field, a forest, a sky into a completely different world when you're looking through this lens of this Thermal Master. Next time you go for a leisurely hike, you may not be able to find what's out there, but with this thing, the invisible no longer stays hidden.